You've been sold a lie. Here's what the online business world doesn't want you to know. I spent years trying to build a following, building the perfect website, watching YouTube video after YouTube video, and I was stuck at $0, zero wins, zero momentum. And then everything changed. In less than 6 months, without spending a single dime on ads and without a big following, I went from folding burritos for minimum wage to making my first $10,000 a month. How? Not by working harder, not by watching more videos, not by buying more courses, but by playing an entirely new and different game. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact 3-step model that can take you to 10 to 20 grand per month, even if you're starting from complete scratch and feel invisible online right now. Because this is the one single part that no one wants to talk about. The difference, it's not some marketing hack or some new shiny funnel. It was the way that I would think about things. I stopped trying to create everything from scratch, and I started to leverage what was already working, and then everything shifted. Because when you stop reinventing the wheel, your decisions change, your actions change, and your results change with them. And that's the difference between the broke, stressed, stuck version of me and the version of me that is now doing over 500,000 per month. But you don't need to wait years to make that shift. You can apply it right now. And so before we dive in, I need to challenge you to something in yourself. Stop thinking you need to be an expert. Your results are not determined by your expertise. They're determined by the system that you use. So let me walk you through the exact 3-step model that I use to hit 10, 20K months without ads, without any website, and without a big following. The first step is you have to pick one done-for-you AI product that pays premium commissions. Forget about creating your own product in the beginning. You see, most people overthink everything. They plan, they brainstorm, they rewrite, they redesign, but then they never execute. You need action, not complexity. Now, here's a paradox. The higher the commission, the less work you actually need to do. You see, low ticket means more sales, more content, more grinding, and higher ticket products mean fewer buyers, bigger checks, a more simple path. And it works for every single type of person. Lila, a college student, did this completely faceless, 12 grand in her first 12 weeks.
I made $900 in like the span of 7 minutes. It was absolutely insane.
Priscilla, a mom with 2 kids, did this as a stay-at-home mom, 20 grand in her second month. Or Lucas, a college student who was doing this from his dorm room, 31 grand by his first 2 months. They were not experts. They did not have big audiences, and they did not build fancy products. They just picked one proven digital product, plugged it into a done-for-you system, and then they focused on the most important thing, which is traffic. Because remember, to hit 10K months, you don't need 1,000 sales. You just need 30 to 40 of them, if each sale pays you out a couple hundred in commission. Now, the second step is to map out your customer's journey result backwards. Most people complicate everything. They think, okay, I have to make more content, which means more value. More steps means more credibility. More features means more sales. Wrong. Your customer doesn't need more tasks. They just want the solution. So what you have to do is design your process so that they can get it fast. Fewer steps, less clicks, a clear path, and instant access. And if you're worried about not having credibility, like you need to be some expert or you need to have some degrees or letters behind your last name, stop trying to be the expert. Just be a connector. You see, you don't need to claim that you invented or created the best thing since sliced bread. You just simply need to say, this tool, I did not make, this expert made it, and I'm just simply connecting it to you because this helps you achieve XYZ result faster. You're not pretending, you're not faking expertise, you're just pointing out to business owners what's already working in the market. And because you only need a handful of sales, you don't need complicated automations or tech. Your advantage as a beginner is that you keep things simple. One product, one message, and one link. Master that and you're already ahead of 90% of people online. And the third step is focus only on acquisition. Forget about the website. Forget the funnel. Forget about designing a perfect brand. Right now, your only job is get more eyeballs on the link. That's it. I'll give you an example piece of content. I just found this AI tool that saves businesses 10 hours a week. That line alone could bring in curious business owners. And if you don't have an audience, good. Instagram's new algorithm actually favors and rewards new accounts more than actually big accounts. So all you gotta do is post a simple 7 to 14 second video. For example, day 3 of replacing myself with AI. This tool helped me lose 5 pounds in a week. This new AI content system replaces me from needing to film myself. There's no hard selling. It's just simply documentation. And people buy solutions, they buy transformations, and they buy tools that bring those types of results. Not gurus, not experts, and not perfection. So all you have to do is aim to post 1 to 2 pieces of short form content every single day, and that alone is enough to start momentum. So let's recap this entire model. You find one high commission digital product, one simple customer journey, and focus on one thing: traffic, getting more people to discover the product. That's it. And if your calendar is full of busy work, building your own course, tweaking your bio, redesigning templates, making new PDFs and strategies, that's the sign that you're avoiding the real hard work. If you want to hit 10 to 20K months, you don't need to do more. You just need to stop doing the wrong things. Because the 20K a month version of you, they're not trying to become a guru overnight. They're decisive, they're simple, and they're focused. So here's my challenge to you. Look at everything that you're doing right now on your calendar. Seriously, do it. Ask yourself, what do I need to stop doing so I can finally step into the next level of my career? The difference between staying stuck and breaking through is not more knowledge. It's just simply the courage to simplify, think differently, and promote something before you feel ready. And if you're ready to scale past 10, 20K months and eventually blow past 6-figure months, I want you to watch this full masterclass video right here. So tap on that and I'll see you on the other side.